So how can you lower your homeowner's insurance cost? Of course, everybody wants to save money. So how can you do that? You know, when you're buying a house, you need a homeowner's insurance, right? No, you can't even close without it. So we'll talk about that in a minute. Hey there, this is KG. I'm a realtor with Fairfax Realtor in Greenbelt, where we help buyers to buy a dream home and sellers to sell their houses. And we do this in the Maryland, DC, and Virginia region. So if you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. So the question is, what can you do as a homeowner to lower your homeowner's insurance cost? You know, insurance is one of those things that you cannot do without. You have car insurance, you have homeowner's insurance, everybody wants your money. But what can you do to lower the cost of your homeowner's insurance? I'm going to give you some pointers today. If you're a first-time home buyer, upgrade buyer, existing homeowners, there's always room for you to save money to lower your homeowner's insurance cost. First, if you're a first-time home buyer or you're buying a house, you need to shop around. You want to shop around as soon as your loan is approved. All right, so you have a loan that is under processing and your lender say your loan is approved with condition. Good. Shop around. Don't wait till the last minute to look for insurance, right? Don't wait till the last minute. Sometimes the lender may say, well, we have this insurance company. Shop around. I want you to shop around and look at the best option for you. Different companies have different options. You'll be surprised. So you want to make sure you shop around. Second, maintain a good credit. Believe it or not, your credit score also determines your homeowner's insurance premium. So definitely, if you're a first-time home buyer and your loan is approved, hopefully you have a good credit, right? So you should shop around. If you're an existing homeowner and your credit is not as great as it was when you bought it, it's not as great as it is now when you bought the house, definitely you want to shop around now with your good credit. And then if you don't have a good credit, one of the things you really want to do is start working on it to get a good credit so that when your premium is due for renewal, you can shop around. So maintaining a good credit is always a good thing for homeowners insurance, as for everything else. Increase your deductible. So many times when you're getting a homeowners insurance, the first thing they'll tell you, they will just put deductible of $500. So if your budget allows it, and you need to think about this, if your budget allows it, increase your deductible to $1,000. Don't just take the $500. Increase your deductible to $1,000. So what this means is, if you have anything with the house that's damaged that you need to use the insurance, if it's under $1,000, you take care of it. If it's over $1,000, then you call your insurance company. So if your budget allows it, think about it. If your budget allows it, you should definitely increase your deductible. What you probably want to do is ask your insurance agent, give me what the premium would be if it's $500 and $1,000 deductible, and kind of determine and decide if it's worth it. Many times it's actually worth it to have a higher deductible because you have a lower premium, right? So third, ask for discount. So if you're a first-time home buyer and you're buying a house, ask for discount. Discount in the sense that if the house has a security system, or if you're going to get a security system, ask for discount. If there's a smoke detector in the house, ask for discount. Carbon monoxide detector, ask for discount. If you have a fancy, expensive lock system, ask for discount. If your house is less than 1 mile from the fire station, ask for discount. These are discounts that you can ask for, and it does really reduce your premium. But if you don't know, you don't know. Fourth, things that you can do to lower your insurance cost is also to ask for group discount. So if you're part of a professional body, they may have deals with different insurance companies. So if you find out, if you're a nurses association, doctor, whatever, part of a professional body, find out if they have group discounts. If you're a senior ARP, definitely you can get discount using your ARP. So definitely ask for discount, group discount. This will save you money. Insure your home with the same company that is insuring your car. Sometimes you know, it's like a no-brainer, but it is really very, very important to do that because it saves you money. Everybody wants you to be on their side, right? The insurance company wants you to insure your car with them. So you want to insure your car with the same company that insuring your house, or vice versa. If you already have a car, insure your get your homeowner's insurance from the same company that is insuring your car, and ask for discount. Ask. If you don't ask, they're not going to give you. Ask for discount because you have multiple under, you know, multiple things under the same insurance company, so ask for discount. The next thing that you think about is review, right? Yearly review. So when you first got your homeowner's insurance, maybe you have a new appliances and they have all these things as part of your homeowner's insurance. Some of these things may have depreciated. If you have a refrigerator that you bought 10 years ago, still working and you still love it, but if they are insuring it for when you just bought it, it has depreciated. That refrigerator is not going to be what it's worth when you bought it. So review and reduce. Review some of the things that in your insurance and reduce, right? So if you have insurance that is coming up due, just don't renew without looking at the document they sent to you and review it if it's still, you know, working for you. If not, reduce it, you know, reduce the claim. I mean, reduce the premium so they can reduce your premium. Fifth thing to remember also is when you're insuring your house, you want to insure the replacement value, not the market value. Replacement value is not the same thing as market value. So you want to think about that and make sure you insure for the replacement value, which is the market value. If your insurance is coming due, shop around. Like, don't just renew, shop around. So these are some of the things that you can do to lower your homeowner's insurance costs. If you lower your homeowner's insurance costs, that means your mortgage payment is going to be lowered and you're saving money. Everybody want to save money. So what are you doing to save money? One of the things is to lower your homeowner's insurance. All right, so this is KG with Fairfax Realty Ingrid. If you're looking to buy, sell, move, invest in real estate, contact us below. We'll take care of you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get updates once we upload a new video. Ciao.